Hello students, this is Chalamaredi sir, mathematics. Now I am going to discuss that indefinite integration mains 2019 questions. So these are very easy questions in 2019 given. Still now who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on like button and share to your friends. Let's go start the first question. Integration x into under root 2 sine of x square minus 1 minus sine 2 into x square minus 1. So that is sine 2 theta like that is. What is sine 2 theta formula? We know that. That is 2 sine theta cos theta. So by using this formula, we can expand. Now that is equal to integration x into numerator 2 sine x square minus 1 minus sine 2x formula 2 sine x, that means x square minus 1 cos of x square minus 1. Same like that in denominator also. 2 sine x square minus 1 plus 2 sine x square minus 1 cos of x square minus 1 dx and whole root. Now observe that integration x into numerator 2 sine of x square minus 1, denominator 2 sine of x square minus 1 is common. So and it's going to cancel. Now I am going to write remaining part. That means 1 minus cos of x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos of x square minus 1. X square minus 1 dx. And here we know that 1 minus cos theta means formula 2 sine square theta by 2. Denominator 1 plus cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 to cancel. Sine square divided by cos square. We get tan square. X into under root. Numerator we get. So overall we get tan square x square minus 1 by 2 into dx. Here square root cancel. Now we get integration x into tan of x square minus 1 by 2 dx. Okay, now let x square minus 1 by 2 is equal to t. Apply the differentiation. X square derivative is 2x minus 1 derivative is 0 into dx divided by 2, that is equal to dt. 2 to cancel. X dx is equal to dt. Now here integration tan t dt. What is integration tan t formula? Tell me. That is equal to logarithm of mod secant t plus c. That is equal to logarithm of mod secant t means we know that x square minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. So observe here. Fourth option is correct. And observe the third option also. 1 by 2 logarithm of secant square is there. That means multiply and divide with 2 logarithm of mod secant x square minus 1 by 2 plus c. Now in front of logarithm 2 is there, it is going to power. We get answer 1 by 2 logarithm of mod secant square into x square minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is also correct answer. So this question, there are two options correct, third and fourth option. I think this is a very easy question, but calculation do carefully, right? I'm going to second question. See the second question, what they are given in 2019 mains question. Integration 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 divided by x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square. And f of 0 is equal to 0. Then find the value of f of 1. So this is also easy question. Now see that f of x, that is equal to integration. Denominator, I am going to take the common x power 7 in denominator. But whole square is there now. It's come outside x power 14. So x power 7 common means here what will come? X square by x power 7, that is 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 whole square. Numerator is 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 dx. Now denominator x power 14 is there. Calculate numerator and denominator, what will come? 5 into x power 8 divided by x power 14, that is 1 by x power 6. So that means we can write x power minus 6 plus 7 into x power 6 divided by x power 14, that is 1 by x power 8. So we get x power minus 8 divided by denominator x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square dx. Now observe here, let x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2, that is equal to t. Now observe the apply the differentiation on both sides. What will come? Minus 5 into x power minus 6 minus 7 into x power minus 8 into dx. 2 derivative is 0 now. So that is equal to dt. Now see the numerator part, 5x power minus 6 plus 7 into x power minus 8 dx. That value should be, we can substitute. Take minus common and send to right hand side. You will get like this, 5x power minus 6 plus 7 into x power minus 8 into dx, that is equal to minus dt. Okay, now go to the continuation. That is equal to integration. Numerator part is minus dt and denominator part is t square. Okay, this is sent to numerator minus integration t power minus 2 dt. What is integration t power minus 2? T power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. That means overall it will become 1 by t plus c. Okay, so then what is f of x finally? F of x is equal to 1 by t means, what is t? X power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 plus c. Now these equation we got and already given f of 0 is equal to 0. Substitute here. What happened? 0, that is equal to 1 by 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus c. Finally, what is the c value? C value is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, therefore, f of x, that is equal to 1 by x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 plus c value is minus 1 by 2. But we need to find f of one value. I think observe here. Here is small correction. X power minus 5. In place of x0 we are substituted means x power minus 5 means that is 1 by x power 5. If you are substituted 0, we get 1 by 0. That value should be infinite. So these two are infinite. Okay. So overall, this value is going to 0 because 1 by infinite, that is 0. Overall, c value is 0. So substituted c value is 0 here. So now we need to find f of 1. F of 1, that is equal to 1 by x power minus 5 means 1 by x power 5. That is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2. Overall answer is 1 by 4. So see that f of 1 value is 1 by 4. Which option is correct? Fourth option. Here denominator I am taken x power 7 common, that's why I got x power 14 outside. This is sent to numerator and calculated, and denominator part, this part I am taken t and differentiate, we got numerator. Then after that, simple calculations. Students, all of you understood now? This model is very, very important, right? Now I am going to third question. Read the third question. If integration under root 1 minus x square divided by x power 4 dx, that is equal to a of x into under root 1 minus x square whole power m plus c. So here we need to find a of x whole power m. So choose integer m and a function a of x where c is constant. Then a of x whole power m equals to. Now first see the question. What they are given, that is integration under root 1 minus x square divided by x power 4 is there. That is I am writing x cube into x dx. Now these x sent to inside the root 1 by x cube. So it is going to inside the root means, so we can write x square because root is there now. Now split that. What happens? See, integration 1 by x cube into under root 1 by x square minus 1 dx. Okay. Now here let 1 by x square minus 1, that is equal to t. 1 by x square means that is x power minus 2. We get derivative of 1 by x square is minus 2 divided by x cube. Derivative of minus 1 is 0. That is equal to dt. Now dx divided by x cube, that is equal to what? Minus dt by 2. These are substituted in the question. Integration. So under root t into minus dt by 2. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 integration root t. Root t means t power 1 by 2. So integration t power 1 by 2. What is that? T power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So here 2 to cancel. Now we get minus 1 by 3 into t power 3 by 2. What is t? That is 1 by x square minus 1 whole over 3 by 2 plus c. But see the question here, root 1 minus x square is there. Take the LCM. What happens? See that minus 1 by 3, 1 minus x square divided by x square under root whole cube. So no. Now x square take outside the root, it will come x. Now overall minus 1 by 3 x cube. Why I am written x cube? Power cube is there now. Under root 1 minus x square whole cube. So by observing the question and answer, identify that what is a of x? A of x means minus 1 divided by 3x cube. Okay, then what is m value? M value is 3, but we need to find what? A power x whole power m. A of x whole power m. This is we need to find. Now minus 1 by 3x cube whole cube. But inside negative is there. We get negative only. Minus 1 by 3 cube 27. X cube whole cube, that is x power 9. This is the answer. So which option is correct? First option. So these are very easy questions in 2019 given. Students, all of you understood now? Still now who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel and click the like button, share to your friends. Thank you.